Alright, Wagwan bread bins. We're back with another one. This one we're calling... What are we calling it? Oh yeah, that's it. 10 things about Jamaica that you never see anywhere else. Only in Jamrock. That's what I'm calling this one. Only in Jamrock. First one.
Hi guys.
Let's move this one in. So in today's video, we're gonna go through more than 10 things this time. Okay.
Sound good? Very nice. Very lovely.
A shot. Am I right? Banter.
Oh,
I don't know if they call it banter in Jamaica, but in England, if you're having a bit of a laugh, it's called banter.
I don't like that. Never liked it.
Doesn't like you either. Yes, and before moving to Jamaica, I had no idea that these things were a Jamaican way of doing things or even really existed. We don't really have a clue what's going on, okay? So we're gonna let each other talk, because last time everyone gunned me just because it was 11 o'clock at night and Misha couldn't be bothered to do any talking. So I had to carry it, but then somehow I'm a nasty guy.
You like to talk. Like he will go. If anyone knows Toby, he will go on and on and on, and sometimes I have to burst through and get my little bit to say. But then, yeah,
and that's not true.
You like to talk, don't you?
That's not true, man. The truth is that. So I'm just scratching the mosquito bites on my ankle. The truth is that Misha, you know, is quite laid back, and sometimes if we want to like get things going, I have to like give it a little bit of, you know what I mean. You cut out loads of the conversation.
That's true. That is true.
What do you want to see? I'll be like ask her a question and then like just be like, I know. Or just ignore me. So then when I cut it, it looks like I'm just rabbiting on. Why are you laughing?
Because it's funny.
Is it true?
I don't say you lying. Yeah, you're right. Okay, you are right.
There you go. First of all, there's no buses, right? And the buses are replaced by route taxis. So you'll have a route taxi.
Well, there are buses, but like...
Where are they then? I don't see them.
You get the coach
They've got bus stops.
JUTC, and you've got the Knutsford Express. They're the buses. And then you've got like the actual...
They're coaches though, aren't they?
Oh, right, yeah, they're coaches,
so
but they're called buses.
Yeah, they're called, yeah.
And you've got the mini bus type bus thing, haven't you?
I don't know what you mean. No.
Okay.
So basically, there's no buses. And if you want to get around, you have to get a route taxi, right? And these are just like taxi drivers going like replacing the bus networks. And it's a better system if you ask me, because they come more frequently, it's cheaper, and like they basically drop you door to door. And you can just stand by the side of the road and like hail a cab down or a taxi. So it's kind of like works better than having this like centralized system, if you ask me. What do you think? Anyway, you'll be driving along and you'll look over and there'll be like a cab, and it'll be packed with like, it'll have more people in it than they can actually carry in their Toyota Bauxite or their Toyota Noah. Big up the Noah. And you'll see like people sat on each other's like laps.
They're all squished up, and there's like, say, 8 seats in there, but somehow like 12 people come out the taxi.
The other day I saw this cab driver and he was like picking up some school children, and as he pulled up to them, like he was blasting out some like dancehall, swearing in it and stuff as well. In England, if you pulled up in a cab and your like music wasn't PG family friendly, that's you done.
That
Well, yeah, maybe, I don't know.
You'll probably be named and shamed on
But
Facebook.
you definitely wouldn't be a cab driver. They'd all be complaining, and that'd be you gone. You know what I mean? I don't know.
You might have been just listening to the radio.
Yeah, exactly. You tell me if you think that's fine and it don't really matter. I don't know. I don't have an opinion on this. So yeah, you have route taxis instead of buses. Also, people use their horns a lot, don't they?
Oh yes,
I know,
they do. I'm still trying to figure out the meaning of the horn a lot of the time.
It's a communication system.
Yeah, but it's used a lot.
Yeah, in England it's like if you use the horn, you're ready for war. But in Jamaica it just means like beep, you're just letting people know.
Normally it's like a thank you or something, isn't it?
Yeah, in
like,
England you flash your lights, don't you?
Yeah, exactly.
You wouldn't, and if you do use your horn, you have to do it in like a melodic, musical way, like beep 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 beep, just so they know that you're not like being aggressive. Do you know what I mean? Because if you touch your horn, oh wow, Melly's growling. So yeah, use the horn, but it's good. So like if you're backing up, you might just go like beep and let people know. You know what I mean? So there's a lot more communication that goes on between cars, isn't there?
There is indeed.
Than there is in England. Like you don't communicate. There isn't like a language going along with the horn. Like how do you know what I mean? It's just like you just use your horn out of frustration. And it's like
I remember when like we first came and like people were using the horn and you hear like beep 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 beep. It's like, why is everyone beeping me? Like what's going on? But yeah, again in England normally use the horn a bit out of frustration.
It's an act of like aggression, isn't it?
Yeah.
Only.
But here it's more courtesy or like just saying thank you or like more something nicer.
They don't use indicators. They're a myth in Jamaica. I must have seen the indicator used maybe twice since I've been here.
Yeah, I rarely see the indicator being
So now
used.
I don't use them.
I still use mine. I do still use mine.
I do still use my indicators, but less indication use.
Yeah, a lot less.
A lot less.
Hey,
who cares?
That's how it goes.
I'm going to cover 2 points now. One is related to cars still, and it will be the informal use of public weeing. And you'll see like lots and lots of signs written, no peeing here, no urinating, and they're frequently used like absolutely everywhere. You'll just see like a lorry on like a road and he's jumped out.
We do see a fair amount. Yeah, I'd say every car journey we have, we do see someone doing a wee. It's the men doing like wees by the side of the road.
Theodore now, it's happened like 3 times.
Yeah.
He's seen it so much. Wee Willy Winkle out. Like in the street and just weeing, like without saying anything.
He thinks it's okay because he's seen others do it.
Yeah, you say it's because he's seen it.
Yeah, definitely.
He never did that before. Definitely. He's never done it.
Theo's never peed at the side of the road or peed anywhere like that in public.
Yeah, now he's just like...
He's seen other men do it and thinks, oh yeah, okay, now I can do that.
But we have given him a stern ticking off and we're really trying to stop that behaviour. It's happened like, 3 times?
Something like that. Not many.
But I'll be walking...
And then
he's gone off to the side and just taking a wee. I'm like, what are you doing? Like literally, that's what's happened.
Yeah.
He's like, I need a wee, and then just like walked up, like ran over and just like, I'm like, what are you doing? Stop.
Sit down.
Yeah, like going like, oh.
And like looking around, there's people.
Yeah,
like, sometimes looking.
I'm like going like, what's he doing? Like,
yeah.
And it is a bit embarrassing. So hopefully he doesn't do it again. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to report him to the police and give him a ticket. That I'll pay for. Maybe I won't. Alright, here's a big one that really aggravates Misha. It's really big.
Oh, what is it?
There's no salad cream.
Oh no. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm laughing so hard.
Because I didn't know what you was gonna say and I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, there's no salad cream in Jamaica.
Yeah, there's no. In every supermarket I've been in, I've not looked and hunted, but I have looked for salad cream because I like it. I like it on salad. I like it on rice.
Misha's the type of person, like, I'll cook her a lovely meal with rice, and then she'll just lather the meal with salad cream. Your sister's the worst. Auntie Chanel, man.
Yeah.
It's just literally coated over like half a bottle of sauce on the food. Half a bottle.
But all it is if there's no like gravy, I like salad cream, and if there's no salad cream, then it might be mayo, and if there's no mayo, like there just has to be something. The rice and salad cream combination,
isn't that
so
what
nice.
Kids eat?
Yeah, so like, my 12-year-old cousin said, oh, like put some salad cream on. She mentioned that, and since I did it that day,
you never look back.
Been obsessed. Sometimes I'll even have gravy and salad cream.
Cool story, bro.
Yeah.
Sometimes she puts gravy on her food.
I'm reminiscing.
Sometimes Misha puts gravy on her food,
with
guys.
salad cream.
Gravy,
I'm reminiscing.
Gravy, baby. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Come in here.
There's no salad cream in Jamaica. If there is, you need to tell me where I'm finding
exist.
it. No, if I'm missing a trick, please tell me where to find it.
Yeah.
Because I cannot find it anywhere.
Okay, no salad cream, big things, man. My one is there's no diet drinks in Jamaica.
That's true.
Like there's literally no like sweeteners in anything. So like the only like diet sweetener drink is like diet like Coca-Cola, innit? Or Coke Zero.
Yeah.
But other than that, they don't have anything diet, do they?
Sorry. No. I don't really look for the diet drinks as much, but you do look, and it can't. We've not. Yeah.
There's
really
like
found
one
any.
fruity drink that I've seen, and then there's Diet Coke. But so I've stopped drinking them, which is a good thing because they're terrible for you, man.
That is true.
There's no like diet things. There's no sweeteners. There's none of that kind of stuff. Do you know what? There's no self checkouts.
There is not.
There's no self checkouts in Jamaica.
Which
I've not
like.
seen one. So there's like 1 million people bagging the food and that, which is cool. And there's no self-service systems. They still heavily rely on, which is really good, humans to actually do the work and interact with, which is fantastic. Because in England you have like one person for about 20 things. In Asda in Luton, my Asda that I grew up in, that it used to be like 30 checkouts. Do you know what I mean? Now there's one, and like it's all self-service, which is pretty
it's
depressing, really.
It is nice that there's people still on the tills here, and people even help you with your bags to the car. So if you're older or elderly, it is nice. It is really nice. Or even if you're pregnant, it's really nice that you've got that you get that help. No self-checkout.
Yeah,
unexpected item in the bagging area.
Yeah, there's none of that. So you can't like put an onion through, and you just have to say, yeah, this steak's an onion to the person. You're like, yeah, I just want to pay for that steak as if it's 23p's worth of onion. It doesn't work out here. And then when you try it at the door, there's a security guy that like signs off the receipt as well, isn't there?
And they're like, steak?
They'll be
Not
like,
I see on here is an onion.
You've got I thought this was an onion. Yeah, it doesn't work quite as well in Jamaica. Better system.
Oh yeah.
Can't do the onion trick. They're cracking down on it in the UK, but it still definitely happens. I've never done it personally because I'm not.
You sound very experienced.
I'm not.
In this area.
We used to call this geezer I used to know, like one of my best mates who I grew up with. But shout out Tommy. I don't know if you've still got a phone. You probably sold it for drugs. True story.
Wow. Nothing.
Tommy, if you're watching this vid, mate, we used to call him the onion. Or the onion trick. Stop moving away. Does my breath smell that bad?
I'm not
Stop
moving
moving
anywhere.
away, man.
I'm sitting
What the hell?
nicely.
Anyway, we used to call him the onion trick.
Go on.
That's it. That's his name because he was so prolific with the onion trick.
Alright.
Yeah. Here's a weird, bizarre one that everything in Jamaica is like still made of like real materials. Like it's made out of like real brick, like glass, metal. In England,
You really appreciate
yeah,
this, don't you? You're
yeah.
into like good
Materials.
quality stuff,
Yeah.
good materials.
And I guess it's to do with the tropical climate. Like in England, everything in Jamaica is made out of like solid materials. Yeah, so in England, everything's made out of like MDF and plywood with a plastic veneer on it, or even like a sticker. You know what I mean? Everything's like the thinnest piece of plastic in like a shop, or even in houses. Like everything is like the worst quality because they expect it to, like in a shop or in a house, for it to be ripped out again in a couple of years' time and redone. So like everything is like flimsy and plastic and fraying and crummy.
Things aren't really made to last.
They're not made to last.
anymore.
Nah, not at all. In Jamaica, like things are solid and things have been there for a while. And I don't know, people might think that that's like rubbish, hasn't been updated. But honestly, I'm not just saying this. I genuinely think it's much better. Like I like things that have been there since the 80s and they're still there. I like if it's being built now, you want it to last like 50 years, 60 years.
Remember, we saw a shop recently where it said get your blender parts and things like that. Things aren't kind of thrown away and disposed of, and like they're good quality, so you just kind of keep them going.
In England, everything now is made out of like balsa wood or MDF with a thin veneer. It's just like everything is trash. True or false?
Yeah, that's a fair point.
Well, in Jamaica,
Like you always
everything's
used
like
to.
solid, made out of it's made out of like metal, glass, stone. What's the other one? Like
Metal,
brick,
glass,
metal,
stone,
stone, wood, and good wood. But they still use good wood for furniture here, and it doesn't cost you like a year's salary for a bed. You know, in England, if you wanted like a solid wooden bed, it's going to cost you like thousands.
Yeah, it'd be really expensive.
Like I'm talking like thousands.
Yeah.
The other thing is like they use in construction here. If you use the construction methods that are used in Jamaica, it would cost you so much money in England. You wouldn't be able to do it. So like you've got a higher standard of materials used. You know, basically is what I'm saying. Yeah,
It's
exactly, which is great.
isn't it?
Yeah, it is good. It feels like I'm kind of like living in like the 1950s or 60s, not in a bad way, but I mean like where everything was still solid. Yeah, so that leads into basically it's not a throwaway culture. And what you were saying with like there's a shop in town that like you can get blender parts for. So like you fix blenders over here, you know what I mean? Which I'm like, why not? If you can get the part for it and it costs you like a £5 to replace it, don't chuck your £100 blender out. Pay a £5. In England, you wouldn't even you couldn't even do that. I don't even know where you would go to fix a blender.
I would have no idea. So you would throw it away and buy another one.
Yeah, but here you would just fix the blender.
Makes
and
sense.
if it's a good blender, I'm the type of guy that would prefer to fix a blender.
You definitely are.
I'll be like, I'm not throwing the blender away if that's an option. If I can fix my blender, I'm gonna fix it. I'm not gonna bin it. I like this blender.
Where I'm a bit of more of the throwaway one, aren't I? But you can fix, you're good at fixing things.
Yeah, maybe.
I am too.
Oh, you are as well, Hazel.
I
Yeah.
feel like fixing Peppa Pig.
Ooh, okay.
The toy.
Yeah, the toy. Cool.
You just have to screw her on.
Things feel a bit older
Doesn't
because
feel outdated,
it's
does it?
kept on longer because it's repaired
Yeah.
instead of replaced.
Yeah, and reused and repurposed. So like obviously like you got the rim stoves or the car wheel stoves, do you know what I mean? That they've turned into a barbecue. Wicked. They look better, they have a better aesthetic. Yeah, so there isn't a throwaway culture which we have. It's much more of a repair and mend
And so it should be.
yeah, and refurbish type of a culture. Back in the room. What I've noticed is that in Jamaica, it kind of feels like a lot of people, it's very industrial. It kind of feels like I'm what I imagined Texas or like the south of America to feel like in like the 70s or the 80s. Blokes wearing like trucker caps or just caps and shirts, jumping off of a big rig. There's a lot of industrial trucks and hauling breeze blocks everywhere and steel and like big factories, do you know what I mean? Especially down by like Kingston. So it's very industrial and it kind of feels like Texas from the 1970s. You know,
This
like that
morning-
aesthetic. It kind of has that to it, which I didn't expect, which is cool. Yeah, go on.
Nothing, just something simple. This morning I was going to say I saw a Bauxite train, like on the train track this morning.
Oh, really? How do you know
Yeah,
it was Bauxite?
That's
though?
what Sharon said. Like they're transporting it from
Minerals.
one place to another.
Yeah,
and that's
yeah.
And like we haven't seen a train before. We know there's no passenger trains, but that's the first train I had seen.
I think
That was quite cool.
I've seen a train.
Oh, have you?
Maybe.
Oh,
I
I
don't know.
hadn't.
Maybe it's a false memory and I'm imagining it. But yeah, that's
I
cool.
hadn't.
Can I put this down now? Yeah. Jamaica's a face-to-face culture.
Yes.
So like,
it
if you
is.
want to get a job, you have to go into the school. So like, for example, like I applied for like 23 schools or something, and I only got 2 callbacks, and I went into one, and they never gave me a call back, even though I spent like the whole day there and did like a proper panel interview and like did a lesson. I got left in the lesson by myself as well for a while. But anyway, and they never called me back. Didn't even get a phone call saying, no, you're rubbish. Just nothing, just crickets. So they must have thought a lot of me. When I turned up and that and they saw it was me, there was a lot of like I saw one person who came in, he was on the panel. They came in, like looked at like the head, and like I saw them like honestly, and like there was a bit of like laughing going on.
Oh, darling.
Just shaved, so they probably like,
They were surprised at how beautiful you
I
were.
don't know about that, what, giggles of joy. I don't think so. Anyway, yeah, so everything is face to face, isn't it? And
Yes,
like,
it is. Yes,
it's-
or secondary by phone.
yeah.
There's not much emailing and like not much texting.
There is, but
and-
just you
yeah,
have-
it's just more favoured that it is face to face or
It's more
phone.
real. It's still like, well, who are you? Come in and
Yeah.
show me what you're about.
Yeah,
Like, what's this? Like, do you know what I mean? That's how
Yeah.
it feels to me. Like, you actually go in and establish a relationship with someone off the get go. Like, do I like this person? Who are they? Like, do they say, have they got the confidence that we need to see? Or, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
it's just still fully, and it feels completely normal and natural.
it's nice. In England, again, like you're a lot more digital and you fire emails and you fire messages and
People are trying
yeah,
to put
it's-
off the meet
it's
in England.
true.
They're like, well, why do we have to meet? I'm just going to send you an email and like,
Exactly.
I'm done with you. You know what I mean? Like,
But it's
and
not like that here.
no, it's like meet first. Like, I need to see you to like know who you are.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
it's good. It's a much more favourable approach and a more natural human approach. And we
Yeah.
prefer it.
Here's a curveveball at you.
Oh, go
In
on.
Jamaica, they don't plaster the walls, do they?
Oh, that's random.
Yeah. I think. Tell me if I'm wrong, but apparently they don't plaster like we do in England or the UK. You know what I mean? Like they plaster, they render, but I believe it's like a sand plaster render. That's what I've seen on the insides. Because I believe it's because of the moisture level, the humidity, and the plaster it's just not as good. It don't last as long, so it crumbles and is rubbish. Do you know what I'm saying? So they use a cement render or a cement plaster. Could be wrong. Get at me and let me know. But yeah, there's one.
Have you plastered your walls? Are they
Me,
fine?
I haven't plastered mine. No.
We don't have any walls. One day.
I had some plasterers who were working on the house that we're living in who were doing outside his garage thing. They were doing a cement render plaster. I googled it, AI or whatever, and it said because of the moisture, which I assumed was what it was before I even checked. But is that actually right? Because it does lie to you and talk a lot of rubbish. So it is always worth like finding
Double
out.
checking what
Yeah,
the
because we're going to be doing a
reasoning
build, aren't we? And we were in a shop the other
I knew you
another
was gonna
day,
say
yeah,
that.
and this bloke, really nice security guard that I chat to like
so
quite a lot,
embarrassed.
come over and he said hello to Theo, and Theo was in one of his little moods, yeah, and he went, "Shoo, shoo, 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 psst." What did he say? Shoot, shoot. And I was
I
like,
wasn't even there, and I feel embarrassed of this.
he
Like,
hates the dog outside, and that's what he does to the dog. I don't know.
and now he's doing it to like people. And
There's no McDonald's, that's one, and
there's no McDonald's.
but there is a juicy patty.
Oh, you have
Do we-
again. Comment down below: juicy patty or McDonald's. Be honest.
I'm
What
only-
would you prefer?
Yeah.
I do miss the McDonald's fries. I like the McDonald's fry. I like the milkshake as well. I do like a juicy patty. and the cocoa bread.
Alright, last one, and that is that I didn't realise this until like I started doing the building and that the day starts super early, like 5 o'clock, and basically everyone in England kind of starts about 8 o'clock now, don't they? It used to be 9 to 5 back in the day, but now in reality you start at like 8. And like when I was a teacher, I used to start at like 7, 7:15, 7:20, about 7, but sometimes earlier. But I feel like in Jamaica, to beat the heat maybe, but it's like people start at like 5 or 6. In England, we start at like 7 or 8, so it's kind of like shifted 2 hours. You need to start the day like at 5 a.m.
Yeah, it's true. Because of the heat, people get started early to avoid that midday heat. I guess it's optional. They carry on working after the midday heat.
Blooming hell, I ain't going back. In Europe, it's called a siesta, and then you break in the middle of the day in the height of summer in like Greece and Spain and Italy, and 40 degrees, so like you can't work, otherwise you end up with heat stroke.
It's nice to get up and out early, and here as well, it's bright in the morning, so like getting up,
beautiful mornings,
and you see the brightness, it's actually quite nice to get up and get going. Whereas again, like versus England, the mornings
I'm
here
a morning
lovely.
person anyway.
They're lovely.
I was.
Whereas in England, especially in winter, to get up and go when it's still dark outside,
Pitch black.
Exactly. You open them curtains at whatever time, 6:30.
You go to work in the dark and you come home in the dark in England.
Whereas here in Jamaica, it's not like that. I left today at 6:30 and it was bright and it was beautiful. The sun's just coming up and rising.
Yeah, the sun like rises at like 6 every day here ish, and then goes down at like 6:30, whatever, like just consistently. While in England, it's just like all over the place. You never know if you're coming or go, what time it's coming up. Well, you do because of the seasons, but like it's not one fixed pattern, obviously, because there's seasons. But yeah, much prefer the just 6 o'clock every day, and the sun's there, like fully there. And 6:30, that's it. That's the end of the sunlight, and like by 7 o'clock, it's gone. You know what I mean? I prefer that system in Jamaica.
Nice here to get up early and just get going.
Look at this. What's going on here? What shall I do with my hair? I'm gonna grow it out. You know what I mean? Like a hippie, and then like braid it.
Or does no one care?
No one cares at all. You don't care.
I don't mind what you do with your hair.
Less.
Darling, I don't mind what you do with your hair. If you want to grow it, grow it.
I haven't got any clippers, so how am I supposed to cut my hair? And I don't want to go to the barber because I know like you always have to go through the pain with a new barber. They just mess it up like 10 times before they get it all right. But look at me, I look like an absolute muggins. Guys, when we're recording this, my head's been like this the whole time, and because the record icon and the thing is literally right in my head, so I can't actually see my face at all. Now I can. Now I can't. Can I? Alright, if you like this video, like and subscribe.
Please do. As we always say, like, subscribe, share the video and hit the notification bell as well, because it's that bell that lets you know when our next video is coming out.
Yeah, wicked, man.
And don't forget, we've hit 10,000 subscribers. Yay!
Yeah, man.
So please keep subscribing, because as I said, it really helps us out. It helps our little channel grow. And we have launched our new membership. If you want to, and you want to continue to be a part of our family channel,
if you want to see me and Misha wearing matching white vests again,
and you want to support us, subscribe to our membership.
To my channel.
But yeah, yay! So a little bit of a celebration there.
Yeah, man.
Lovely milestone. Yeah, it's been lovely. It's amazing, really amazing.
It's
that
Excelsior cream crackers, man, that we've done it. Can you?
No, it's wonderful. It's such a blessing. It really is such a blessing that, I don't know, like we've got people that want to watch us. If you do want to support us, head to the membership section and...
We've got one member.
What? That's us.
Nah, your dad.
Oh.
Your dad, like.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh.
Your dad. Your
Shout
dad, that
out,
you,
Dad.
yeah, big up Rupert.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
nice.
Come on.
Oh,
I forgot to
I
tell
didn't even
you.
know.
I think he must have joined today.
Oh, how lovely.
I think we only started it like 2 days ago. But yeah, we've got one member.
Oh, that's nice. That's so lovely.
And it's your dad.
Oh, bless him. Oh,
Oh,
that's
God.
so lovely. Oh, that's just made me happy.
Yeah, I thought it would.
Yeah, it's
I've
made me
dropped that
really
bomb.
happy. Please do
So
subscribe to our membership.
if you become a member, you'll double our members.
You will.
You'll double it. Just one more person doubles it. Twice as many
Man.
as we had, man. So that's pretty cool.
Thank you for following us, guys, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. We wouldn't be at 10,000 if it wasn't for you, and hopefully we can push
True
on through
say.
to 15. Yay.
Oh yeah, so let us know if we listened to each other's talk in this one, or Misha just kept on cutting me off because she's so rude and arrogant, doesn't respect me.
Let's face it, like
She
we
just keeps cutting me off and talking over her. I mean, me.
Oh please, you know what it's like.
No,
When
I'm
we're
only
doing a
joking.
video, we're all
I'm only
you're
joking.
gonna
Don't-
talk, I'm gonna talk, we're gonna accidentally talk over each other. You don't take any offence, I don't take any offence.
Yeah, that's the thing. Because me and Misha, we talk a lot, don't we? I guess that's why
You a bit more than me though. but-
me and Misha spend a lot of time talking with we do though, don't we?
Yeah,
Yes
we
or
do,
no?
yes.
When we're eating all
Yes.
the time, we're always in conversation, like now.
My leg.
And I guess that's why like Hazel's quite good at chatting and stuff, because she is with us all the time as well.
Yeah.
And me and Misha literally just chat all the time to each other, don't we?
And you chat with me.
Yes,
Yeah, we do chat with you, yeah, all the time. Alright, anyway,
Yeah.
Right there.
God bless.
Right in the middle.
Ciao for now. Cheerio.
See you in the next video.
Toodaloo.
To the woo means goodbye. To the woo.
Good girl.
Bye.